my name is Chris, and this is an instructional video that is going to demonstrate how to install and uninstall programs within the Windows operating system, Windows XP. So there are a number of different ways that you can install a program. The first of which is if you insert a CD that has an auto run feature on it, it should automatically pop up with a box that'll say install. Now, if it does not, once a CD is inserted, you can double click on here, or you can right click and go to open and look for the install file yourself and just double click on it. Also, any files that you download off the internet, you can just double click and they will typically go into an installer. Now, the other way is you can come down here to start, click on control panel, and from here click add or remove programs, and this will bring up the programs menu. If you notice, VMware Tools is already installed from when we installed the operating system. Now over here on the left, you can click add new programs, and it'll ask you if you want to add it from a CD-ROM, floppy disk, or if you want to do system updates over the internet through the Microsoft website. We're just going to click right here on CD or floppy. Now it'll tell you to insert the product's first installation disk, so we put that in and hit next. Now what it's going to do is scan your floppy drive and CD-ROM. Now I haven't actually put in a CD yet, so it comes up with this saying, hey, it can't find the program. Well, from this point we can hit browse and manually point to the program. In either case, if it detects it or you manually find it, you just hit the next button and it'll automatically pop up with the program's installer, and then you begin to install it. Now, to remove the program, all the programs are going to show up in a list here. And you simply click on the one and you click remove. And it should automatically kick over with an uninstall option. Now I'm going to put in a CD into my CD-ROM here and show you the process. The CD I'm using is from an old game that used to be a personal favorite of mine called Alpha Centauri. And if you notice, nothing's happening just yet. So we're going to go to add new programs, CD, next, and it's going to scan and it automatically detected that there was a setup on the CD, and we hit finish. And there you go, it automatically loads the installer. Now, the length of the install varies on the demands of the game you're installing, how big the program you're installing is, and the specs on your computer. But they're usually straightforward. You can typically just mash the next button and it'll go right through it and begin installing. Now, every program's installer is going to look different. They're not all going to look like this. Every one will be unique. We're going to select these because I don't want to open up the README and I don't want it to load up the game. So that is now installed. We're going to go up here to change or remove programs. And we're going to hit F5 to refresh the list. And there's Sid Meier's Alpha Centauri. Now we're going to come over here and click remove. And it'll ask you if you're sure that you want to delete it. Hit yes. And it's going to come up with the uninstaller. and start removing everything associated with this program. Uninstall completed, we hit OK, and even after hitting F5 and refreshing, you'll notice it's not there anymore. The program has been successfully uninstalled. My name is Chris. I want to thank you for watching my video on how to uninstall and install programs with Windows XP. I hope this information has been helpful.